Hello class, good morning. Today I will discuss the divisibility rules that you can find on page 26 to 33. Let's start. Divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. For example, 26, the ones digit is 6, meaning to say 26 is divisible by 2. 371, the ones digit is 1, meaning to say it's not divisible by 2. 1000, the ones digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. So 26 and 1000 is divisible by 2. Next is divisible by 3. The sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. So 1 plus 3 plus 8. The answer is 12. So 12 must be divisible by 3. So 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. No remainder, so 138 is divisible by 3. Next is divisible by 4. The last two digits must be divisible by 4. So 16 divided by 4, the answer is 4. Since there is no remainder, so 316 is divisible by 4. Next, 2400. If you see a number that ends with 2 zeros, meaning to say it is divisible by 4. So since 2400 ends with 2 zeros, this is divisible by 4. Next, 3613. So the last two digit is 13. 13 divided by 4, the answer is 4 remainder 1. Since there is a remainder, this is not divisible by 4. Next is divisible by 5. If the ones digit is 0 or 5, meaning to say the number is divisible by 5. Example, 5505. The ones digit is 5, so meaning to say 5505 is divisible by 5. Next, 300. So the digit in ones place is 0, so 300 is divisible by 5. Next, 451. The ones place is 1, or the digit in the ones place is 1, so this is not divisible by 5. Only 5505 and 300. Next is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. So 48. The ones digit is 8, so it is divisible by 2. Then let's add for divisibility rule of 3. 4 plus 8, the answer is 12, divided by 3, the answer is 4. Meaning to say, it is divisible by 3. Since 48 is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, 48 is divisible by 6. Next, 36. Since the ones digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. And let's find out if it is divisible by 3. 3 plus 6, the answer is 9. 9 divided by 3, it is equal to 3. So 36 is divisible by 3. Since 36 is divisible by 2 and 3, 36 is divisible by 6. Another example. "58. Since the ones digit is 8, so 58 is divisible by 2. Then let's find out if it is divisible by 3. 5 plus 8, the answer is 13, divided by 3, it is 4, remainder 1. So meaning to say, it's not divisible by 3. So 58 is not divisible by 6. Divisible by 7. Twice the last digit, so 9 times 2, the answer is 18. And the next step is subtract the product to the remaining digits, which is 18. So 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Since the answer is 0, meaning to say 189 is divisible by 7. So if the difference is 0, meaning to say it is divisible by 7. Another example, 448. Twice the last digit, so 8 times 2, the answer is 16. Then subtract 44. 44 minus 16, the answer is 28. Then after subtracting or after getting the difference, let's divide it by 7. If 28 can be divided into 7 with no difference or no remainder, meaning to say 448 is divisible by 7. So let's see. 28 divided by 7, the answer is 4. Since there's no remainder, 448 is divisible by 7. I will repeat the process. Twice the last digit, 8 times 2, the answer is 16. Then subtract the product to the remaining 2 digits, 44 minus 16, the answer is 28. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. So just like here, 28 can be divided into 7 without remainder, so 448 is divisible by 7. Another example, 2492, is it divisible by 7? So let's do twice the last digit, 2 times 2, the answer is 4. Then subtract it to the remaining digits, 249 minus 4, the answer is 245. It's not easy to divide 3-digit number by 7, so let's repeat the process. Twice the last digit, 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Then subtract it to the remaining digit, which is 24. 24 minus 10, the answer is 14. And let's see whether 14 is divisible by 7. So if we divide 14 to 7, the answer is 2, no remainder, therefore 2492 is divisible by 7.